Welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, your go-to channel for enriching your vocabulary and exploring the fascinating world of words. Today, we're diving into the word impious. So, what does impious mean in English? At its core, impious refers to a lack of respect for religious practices or beliefs. It is often used to describe actions or attitudes that are irreverent or disrespectful towards what is considered sacred. According to various dictionaries, impious is synonymous with terms like blasphemous, irreverent, and sacrilegious. But let's dive deeper and explore more synonyms to broaden our understanding and usage of impious. From a profane to a godless, each synonym offers a unique shade of meaning and context. For instance, blasphemous often refers to speech or actions that offend religious sentiments, while sacrilegious pertains to the violation or desecration of something holy. That wraps up our exploration of the impious. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a powerful tool for effective communication. Stay tuned for more linguistic insights on Thesaurus Thrive.